Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to day 7 of the Shamwari lockdown series. While you guys are watching the other half of the walking video that I did, I'm going to head down to the Bushman's River and see if I can spend some time with a group of hippos and give you guys some decent footage and info about them. Enjoy. Well, it's not very often that you're going to be able to get to see two different animals' tracks like this so close to one another so clearly. This is fantastic. We've got a caracal track over here. You can see the nice round shape of the track over there, front foot over here, and the back foot stood over the front foot over there, and right next to it here we've got a jackal track, and you can see those two claw marks at the front of the jackal track there, just making those little indentations, and more of a triangular shape to the track than with this caracal track over here, showing a nice round track over there. So that's one of the ways that we look to see the difference between a jackal track and a caracal track, although they are very similar in size. So I've just seen the top part of an elephant's head sticking out from behind the bushes, probably about 300 meters in front. Let's see if we can do an approach on this guy. Wind direction is not great, he's probably going to pick up on us, but let's see what happens. The thing about walking elephants is I generally try and stay away from the breeding herds of elephants. The females can tend to be quite protective over their youngsters, although from time to time when the situation's right, then I'm comfortable to approach them on foot. Bull elephants, obviously out of must, are the best guys to approach on foot. Now, let's see if we can find this guy. So I'm about 15 meters away from this guy. He can smell that I'm here. He knows something's here, but he's not sure. I'm sitting dead still on the ground. He's obviously not comfortable with the fact that he can smell me. I'm going to reposition, see if I can go around from the other side. So I've repositioned onto the other side of the drainage line. The wind direction is now right. We're going to leapfrog a couple of bushes and see if we can get closer to him. So elephants try and drink at least once a day, sometimes twice a day. A big bull will drink about 100 liters at a time, and in a day up to about 220 liters. This guy is quite happy. Everything is in our favor. The wind is right. It was a nice approach. I think let's leave him be, find our way out. There's a beautiful secretary bird that you can see walking around, looking for little grasshoppers and lizards and rodents, anything that basically can overpower them. Generally what they'll do is they'll stomp them with their big powerful feet, kill it, and then bend down and pick it up. Most people think that they only eat snakes, but snakes actually just make up quite a small percentage of their diet, normally mainly made up of grasshoppers and rodents. A beautiful little female yellow pansy, probably one of the most common butterflies in South Africa. She's busy feeding off the nectar of a beautiful little ribbon bush. Well, I hope you enjoyed that guided walk this morning. It was great being out on foot, great seeing all that stuff. I hope I can get it all onto video for you so that it makes sense and you can learn something from it. Yeah,
hopefully all of this is behind us soon and you guys can all come and visit and spend time with us, and we'll get to take you on some proper guided walks and game drives. Until then, stay safe. Forget to give us a thumbs up and like, and let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see. See you soon.